This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Now let's do another case study of an app that's built by the student. And this is a very interesting example. I really like this because this is a TaskMania app. It's essentially a task management tool, maybe something, the way I imagine it, something like a to-do list, a little bit more involved, but it basically helps you manage projects or something like that. And there's two major issues I want to talk about in regards to this app. Number one, if you go through this course, you will know that you gotta have the keywords in your title. There's no keywords here, right? Even the word task is no space, right? So I would say something like it's a to-do. I would have the word task, task management, productivity. The main keywords in this space are productivity, task management, to-do, project management, organization, maybe efficiency, whatever. Like all the keywords related to this kind of productivity, right? How to get more done, all that stuff. And none of the keywords are here. And so basically the first thing is you got to identify the keywords, and then you've got to intelligently put them into the title. What you can do is TaskMania : and then a description of your app, and a description including a lot of your keywords. Not a lot, but at least some. That's one. So this is like a cardinal mistake, right? This is a mistake that everybody who kind of starts out, I guess, in ASO, they make this. But eventually this is easy to fix. Luckily, this is easy to fix. Now, the hard part of this app is that there are so many task apps, right? So many to-do apps. How do you beat them and stand out? That is like the $1 million question, literally, for this niche, for this app. And my take on it is that you've got to make yours, you got to look at the competitors, make yours better, more creative, easier to use, and more of a long-term use app, more something that will fit comfortably in people's lives than the competitors, because then you will start to have better engagement. Better engagement means that not only people who engage more will not engage with the competitors, but they'll also be more likely to spend money on your app if you have in-app purchases, and they'll be more likely to that engagement will help you rank in the app stores, right? They're going to be also more likely to give nice reviews, all those good kinds of things. So I think you have to win here with number one, with quality, and more engagement, and number two, you have to get a lot of reviews, as many as possible, to bump yourself up in the app stores. But if your app isn't as good in quality as the competitors, it's going to be, even with the reviews, it's going to be nearly impossible to rank really well. So first, you got to be better than the top current to-do task apps. And after that, it's all about getting reviews and getting all your friends to review it, everyone you meet to review it, maybe some review sites, maybe some extra promotion outside, maybe it's boosted with some ads and stuff like that. So that would be the strategy that I would have for this app.